Good morning, students. We have started our first chapter, Language of Chemistry. In this chapter, we have started balancing the chemical reaction. Yes, students. First, we have find out the compounds there. How to form the compounds by using the crisscross method. Next, today we will do one more balancing the chemical equation. Let us say HJNO3 taken twice plus Ki gives HJI2 plus KNO3. Okay. This is the chemical reaction given and you need to balance this chemical reaction. Already I have told you how to balance by showing the chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen forming the water molecule. Okay, let us solve this. First, in this chemical reactions, you find out what are the elements. Hj stands for which element? Hydrogyrum is the symbol for mercury. Next you have nitrogen. Next what do you have? Oxygens. Next you have K stands for potassium. I stands for iodine. Now make a table. LHS, RHS. Now I have told you to mark the boxes so that you will not be confused where to keep a number in order to balance the chemical reaction. Okay? Now, how many mercuries are there on the LHS? See children, this 2 belongs to NO3 only, not for HJ. Okay? HJ, how many? 1. How many HJs on the RHS? 1. Nitrogen, here 1 is there. 1 into 2, 2. Okay? How many nitrogens on the RHS? 1. Okay? Oxygens, 3 into 2, 6. Okay? Come to the other side. How many oxygens? 3. Yes or no? 3 oxygens. Now potassium. How many? 1. How many potassiums? 1. Iodine. How many? 1. On the RHS side, 2 are there. Okay? After writing like this, we need to balance what? Iodine, oxygen, nitrogen. Okay? First I am doing balancing of nitrogen. Write the statement. Balancing of N atoms. N stands for nitrogen. Now look at here. HJNO3 taken twice plus Ki gives HJI2 plus KNO3. Okay? We have less number of nitrogens on RHS. Say, how many I require? 2. If I give 2 here, this 2 belongs to potassium, nitrogen and oxygen. Now look at here. Now make a table again. Hj NOKI. How many Hgs on LHS and RHS? Hg is 1. Here also 1. Nitrogens 2. On the RHS side also nitrogens are 2. Oxygens 6. How many oxygens? Look at here. This 2 belongs to oxygen also. 2 into 3. 6 oxygens. Okay. Potassiums 1. How many potassiums? 2. Iodine. How many? 1. How many iodines? 2. Which one we need to balance now? Potassium and iodine. Balancing of which atoms? Potassium atoms. Look at here. HgNO3 taken twice plus Ki gives Hg I2 plus KNO3. This was the equation and we have kept 2 here. Okay. Now I need to balance what atoms? Potassium atoms. On the LHS side I require 2 more potassiums. Hence, where is the potassium here? Here. I am keeping 2. Okay. Now look at here. Mercury 1. How many mercuries? 1. Nitrogens are 2. Nitrogens are 2. Oxygens are 6. 2 into 3, 6. Potassiums are 2. How many potassiums? 2. Iodines are 2. How many iodines? 2. Is it balanced? This was your balanced chemical equation. Okay, children. This is the way how to balance the given chemical reaction. Solve one more chemical equation. C3H8 plus O2 gives CO2 plus, let me give you, H2O. Okay. This was the chemical equation given to us. We need to balance this. Now write carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. LHS, how many carbons? How many carbons? 3. On RHS, 1. Hydrogens, 8. How many hydrogens? 2. Oxygens, 2. How many oxygens? Here 2 and 1. How much? 3. Okay. Now I need to balance what? Oxygens, hydrogens and carbon. Let me take balancing of O atoms. You can take any one, your wish. I am taking oxygen. C3H8 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Which side I have less number of oxygens? On the LHS. I am keeping 2 here. 2 into 2, 4. Here 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Again write the table. C, H, O. LHS, RHS. Carbons are 3. 1. Hydrogens 8. Hydrogens 2. Oxygen 4. Oxygens are 3. Okay. The same equation I am writing here. Now again, what do we need to balance? Okay, balancing of oxygens are not balanced again. Balancing of hydrogen atoms. We can balance again oxygens also. Okay. Now balancing of hydrogen atoms. This side more less number of hydrogens on RHS. Hence C3H8 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. How many hydrogens I require? Here 8 are there. If I keep any number in such, I must keep a number in such a way, if I multiply with 2, I need to get 8. Hence, I am keeping 4. 4 into 2, 8. Okay? Next, see here. Again, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. How many on LHS and RHS? Carbons are 3. 1. Hydrogens 8. Now here also hydrogens 8. Oxygens 4. How many oxygens now? 4 into 1. 4 plus 2. 6. Okay. What I need to balance? Carbon and oxygen. Now look at here. You can do balancing of oxygen atoms or carbons also. C3H8 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 4H2O. Which side I have less number of oxygens on LHS? I can take out 2. If I keep 3, okay? 3 into 2, how much? 6. Here how many are there? Here how many? 4 plus 2, 6. Okay? Look at here. Here we have 2 into 2, 4 oxygens. I require 6 oxygens. Hence I have kept by removing 2. If I keep 3, 3 into 2, 6. Here 4 plus 2, 6. Balanced. Okay. Now I am writing the same equation. 3O2 plus 4H2. Now what I need to balance? Balancing of carbon atoms. See here, 3 carbons are there, single carbon is there. 6 oxygens, 4 plus 2, 6 oxygens. Hydrogens are 8. Hydrogens are 8. But carbons are not balanced. Hence, C3H8 plus 3O2 gives CO2 plus 4H2O. Which side I have less number of carbons? On the RHS. How many I require? 3. Hence I am keeping 3. Now look at here. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. LHS and RHS. Carbons are 3. Carbons are 3. Hydrogens 8. How many hydrogens? 8. Oxygens you say 3 to 6. Okay? Here you say 3 2s are 6 plus 4. 10 oxygens are there. What I need to balance now? Again, balancing of O atoms. Okay? Look at here. C3H8 plus O2 gives 3CO2 plus 4H2O. Which side I have less number of oxygens? On LHS. I need to get 10. I can remove this 3. I can change this. Okay? In order to balance. How many I require? 10. With what number if I multiply? With the 2, I will get 10. 5. Okay? Now look at here. Carbons are 3. Carbons are 3. Hydrogens are 8. Hydrogens are 8. Oxygens 5 into 2, 10. 3 into 2, 6 plus 4, 10. This is your balanced chemical reaction. Okay? This is the way you need to balance the reaction. Do this for homework. PbNO3 taken twice gives PbO plus NO2 plus O2. This is for your homework. Okay, children? Thank you.